Is it time to buy or sell IONQ stock? In this video, we are exploring IONQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 2nd, 2024, our system has identified IONQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 439.02% since we first designated IONQ as a buy candidate 67 days ago. This results in an average return of 6.55% daily since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line at $51.72 will initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a potential 355.37% change in the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 271.04% to 374.93%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a 73.66% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 51.93% and 79.15%. This translates to a price range between $23.84 and $88.84 after a year. Our latest daily update for IONQ includes the headline, High Volatility in IONQ Inc. stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $49.59. The IONQ Inc. stock price fell by 2.9% on the last day, Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, from $51.07 to $49.59. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.33%, from a low of $48.73 to a high of $54.74. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, with an overall gain of 11.64% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 66,000 shares, despite the declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 23 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.74, while the lowest was $6.23. Currently, the price is 9.41%, or $5.15, below the 52-week high of $54.74, which is also the all-time high for the stock. IONQ is making headlines as it prepares to showcase its technology at the Consumer Electronics Show in the year 2025, which will feature a dedicated quantum track for the first time. This event underscores the company's leadership in the quantum computing space and its increasing importance in the tech industry. Additionally, IONQ recently completed the acquisition of Qbytech, bolstering its capabilities in quantum networking. This strategic move not only enhances IONQ's technological edge, but also expands its patent portfolio, further solidifying its position as a leader in this niche market. The stock has already seen a significant rise, skyrocketing by 290% over the past year and 30% just in the last month, reflecting strong investor confidence. With its high forward revenue multiple, trading at 230 times, IONQ signifies a company at the forefront of a rapidly evolving technology landscape. This premium valuation highlights the market's anticipation of future growth, especially with quantum computing poised to intersect more closely with artificial intelligence in the year 2025. In the short term, participation in the Consumer Electronics Show and recent acquisitions are likely to drive increased investor interest and potentially further stock appreciation. Long term, as quantum computing continues to advance and capture mainstream attention, IONQ's strategic initiatives may position it favorably among its competitors, fueling sustained growth and solidifying its market presence. The following signals have been identified for IONQ. IONQ Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $46.15 and $37.20. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term trajectory of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and since then the stock has declined by 2.9%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 78 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 73 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Analyzing the support, risk, and stop loss for IONQ. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $44.42 and $41.80. There is inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, IONQ Inc. has support just below today's level at $44.42. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $41.80 and $37.63. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests it is considered very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $6.01 between its high and low, or 12.33%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IONQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 23 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IONQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for IONQ is at $51.07. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, IONQ faces its first support level at $44.42. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for IONQ from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of December 2024, Alameddin Rima executed an insider sale of 21,337 shares of common stock. On the 11th of December 2024, Kramer Thomas G. executed an insider sale of 9,780 shares of common stock. On the 11th of December 2024, Chapman Peter Hume executed an insider sale of 13,106 shares of common stock. On the 28th of October 2024, Alameddin Rima executed an insider sale of 13,000 shares of common stock. On the 28th of October, 2024, Alameddine Rima executed another insider sale of 9,875 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 2.063. In total, insiders purchased 5,118,894 shares and sold 15,537,372 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $47.65, which represents a decrease of 3.92%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is IONQ stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for IONQ Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 8th of January, we anticipate IONQ to open at $1.43 and start trading at $51.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.